You may have heard the expression, everything from nothing, everything, everywhere, all at once. Let's unpack this and why this could be meaningful for you and for me and for the world. So, everything from nothing. This is part of today's quantum physics and cosmology. So, in quantum physics, the concept that something can emerge from nothing is not just poetic but experimentally supported now. The Schwinger effect, as it's called, recently demonstrated in the lab, and it shows that with a strong enough electrical field, particles and antiparticles can be created from nothing, from the vacuum of empty space. Essentially nothing as understood in physics. This challenges the classical intuition that you cannot get something from nothing. Then, of course, there's quantum field theory, which further supports this. The vacuum is not truly empty, but teems with fluctuating quantum fields that can spontaneously give rise to particles under certain conditions. In cosmology, also, it is now thought that space-time and matter could have emerged from quantum nothingness or quantum vacuum, a state with no classical matter or energy, with the potential for spontaneous creation. What about all at once? Everything, everywhere, all at once. Quantum mechanics introduces the idea of superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states or locations simultaneously. Richard Freeman's path integral formulation, as it's called, path integral formulation, suggests that particles take every possible path between 2 points, embodying the idea of everything, everywhere, all at once. Then there's the multiverse hypothesis, which extends this even further. Our universe may be just one of countless universes, each with its own version of reality. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics also posits that every quantum event branches into a multiple of parallel realities, each existing everywhere, all at once. And also down the suggestion that space and time themselves are a single unified fabric called space-time, and that the quantum level there may be superposition of infinite possible space-times. Just imagine, infinite possible space-times. So of course the question then is why? Why is there something rather than nothing? This is one of the oldest and most profound questions in philosophy, famously posed by Leibniz, Heidegger, and many others. And of course, there are many answers that have been offered. The universe has always existed, infinite regress. That's one. Another, unnecessary being or principle, such as God or the laws of physics, brought everything into existence. Then, of course, the universe arose spontaneously from nothing, as modern cosmology and quantum theory suggest. And then others have argued that nothing is a problematic concept, as even the idea of nothing presupposes something. The very label implies a contrast. So, of course, those who are nihilistic would take everything I have said and would say if every possibility is realized somewhere, then individual choices and events seem meaningless or inevitable. This is a central theme in many contemporary philosophies and popular culture, as seen in the film that I was thinking of when I thought of doing this post, everything, everywhere, all at once. However, existential and process philosophers argue that meaning is not given by the universe, but created by conscious beings within the flux of possibilities. So even in a universe without inherent purpose, human beings can find or create meaning through relationships, creativity, and engagement with the world. And of course, Taoists and Eastern philosophies say that everything that I've said so far emphasizes balance, harmony, and the interconnectedness of all things, seeing the universe as a dynamic, ever-changing whole where distinctions between something and nothing are fluid. So, what do you think? Is the universe an automatic machine? Is it a casino where anything is possible? Or is it a creative process that is triggered by intention and meaning, which then organizes the appearance of the universe? Self-organizing, self-correlating, self-evolving, self-regulating. And the word self means your deeper identity. You, the self of the individual, as the self of the universe. Atman is Brahman.